Ready? Go.
You didn't get it.
I didn't get it, actually. Okay, go ahead. Do the same thing. Let me introduce myself. First, we are the ice cream makers, and we will be making funny ice cream videos. Enjoy! Okay, Dad? It's all you.
Come on. Take a little bite. Make it last all night. Keep it by the light. Ooh, like.
Okay, we're stopping there.